hard and soft water. Based on the behavior of water with soap solution, water can be classified into two types. One is soft water, another one is hard water. That means a water which produce sufficient amount of lather with soap solution is called soft water. The water which produce sufficient amount of lather with soap is called soft water. The water which produce some precipitate or white color scum on reacting with soap solution is called hard water. The water which produce precipitate or scum with soap solution is called hard water. The reason for the hardness is presence of bicarbonate, sulfate as well as chlorides of calcium and magnesium. Bicarbonate, sulfate, chlorides of calcium and magnesium is present in water. The water is the hard water. The presence of bicarbonate, sulfate and chloride of calcium and magnesium make the water hard. So the hardness of the water is classified into two types. One is temporary hardness, another one is permanent hardness. Temporary hardness. So the temporary hardness is otherwise called carbonate hardness. It is called temporary hardness because it can easily be removed. This hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. The temporary hardness is due to the presence of bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium. The permanent hardness is due to the presence of soluble salt of calcium and magnesium in the form of chlorides and sulfate. If soluble chlorides and sulfate of calcium and magnesium is present in the water is permanent hard water, which is very hard to remove, which can be removed, but it is somewhat hard. Some chemical process is needed. Now, softening of water. What do you mean by softening of water? The process of removing hardness of a water is called softening of water. Define softening of water. The process of removal of hardness of water is called softening of water. Now we are going to discuss something about softening of temporary hardness. So we can discuss, there are two methods are there. One is by boiling. Simply on boiling temporary hard water, the soluble bicarbonate will be converted into insoluble magnesium hydroxide and insoluble calcium carbonate. The temporary hard water on boiling, the soluble bicarbonate present in the hard water converted into insoluble magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate. This insoluble substance can be removed by simple filtration. The insoluble substance can be removed by simple filtration. Now Clark's method. Another one method for removing temporary hard water, temporary hardness from water is called Clark's method. In this method, calculated quantity of lime is added with the hard water. Lime convert again the soluble bicarbonate into insoluble magnesium hydroxide and calcium carbonate, which can be removed by filtration. Process of removal of permanent hardness. The first method is treatment with washing soda. Washing soda convert the soluble chlorides and sulfate into insoluble chlorides and sulfate, which can be removed by filtration. The washing soda convert soluble chlorides and sulfate into insoluble carbonate, which can be removed by filtration. Thus permanent hardness can be removed. Then another one method is Kalkan's method. Which method? Kalkan's method. Sodium hexametaphosphate Na6P6O18 is called Kalkan. What is Kalkan? Sodium hexametaphosphate. This sodium hexametaphosphate, otherwise Kalkan, react with hard water and convert the hardness present in the water into some complex. This complex provides no hardness to water. Thus, the insoluble chlorides and sulfate can be converted into useful complexes. Thereby, the hardness can be removed. The next method is called ion exchange method. This method is also called permute method or zeolite method. Here the zeolite is added with hard water. What do you mean by zeolite? Zeolite means hydrated sodium aluminum silicate is called zeolite, which when added with water, it exchanges the calcium and magnesium present in the hard water into Na plus ion with the Na plus ion. The calcium and magnesium ion present in the hard water get exchanged by Na plus ion. Thereby the hardness can be removed.